Guys, welcome to product unboxing channel. For today's video, as you can see, we're gonna be unboxing an iPhone 11. So let's start. This is the 64 gig and I feel it's just enough for me, so that's why I bought this one. And it's the color black, as you can see at the front earlier. So I'm just gonna take out the plastic. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared, but I have to be careful. I feel it's like gonna fall off. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It has two cameras at the back, as you can see. And it has like a protective film that I'm gonna take off later on when I'm gonna use it. So that's that, and it comes with this. I believe this is the manual. And it's sealed. So it has that. It says hello. And it has these things. Just like a welcome guide if you're new to using iPhone. And this is for the charger, and this is the earphone. And for the charger. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.